Struggling to create pro-level motion videos that pop? Hailuo AI nails smooth camera move, lifelike faces, and wild styles in seconds. So if you want to transform your text or image into stunning cinematic pro style perfect for social media videos, then follow along. Go to hailuoai.video.com and here you can sign up and create a new account for yourself by clicking on the sign in button here and choosing from these options. Once you have logged in successfully, you can simply go to this video option in your sidebar, and here you have all the three options which I mentioned before, that is image to video, text to video, and subject reference. So first let's start with image to video. Here you can give the start frame of your video as well as the end frame of your video, or you can simply just enter one video and click on the start button here and upload the image that you want to turn into the video. So this is my image. I'm going to open it now. Now you can either describe the camera motion or the changes or whatever video that you want to create with this image, or you can use the presents that are predefined. So click on this 2.3 prompts button, and here you have present library which predefines prompts according to the styles here. And then there's also camera control prompts which you can access by clicking on this camera control button here, and you can see these are a few camera shots which you can select from. These are the cinematic shots, but if you want just normal camera control, you can click on this selection where you'll find different types of camera controls like these. So if you just hover over the name, it will play a little sample for you so you know what kind of shot are you looking for. So I'm going to select upward tilt for this image, and then it has added the prompt. Now I can even select a present for the video. Next you can describe some other changes if you want to have, and here is the prompt refinement option. If you want to turn it off, you can simply click on it and it will turn off any automatic enhancement to your prompt. Next you have the ability to select your models. So if you click here, you'll see a drop down of all the available models, which is from Hailuo 1 to VO 3.1 and then the latest Hailuo models. So I'm going to select Hailuo 2.3 fast version for this creation, and then you have the quality and timing options, but we are using the free trial so we don't have these options. You will have to upgrade it to get higher resolution and more duration in your video. Next you can select the quantity of the outputs that you want for this, and once all that's done, you can click on this button here to start the generation of your video. So you'll see it being queued up here and our video is ready. So let's see it. Simply click on this button here and you can see the camera is moving upwards like how I defined in my prompt. Now you can download this video from this download button here. As we are using the free trial version, we will have to download with watermark. You can even save this video and you have the ability to post, share, or add this video to any folder or even delete it. Now let's move to text to video option and let me add in a prompt. So this is my prompt which describes the scenery as well as the subject and the background, and also it describes the camera movements and the nature of the video, that it should look cinematic and realistic instead of AI generated. Now you can also create presents a preset using your own prompt. Like here I've described the camera movement from include till this here. So if you select that from your prompt, it will give you the option to add it to preset, so you can do that and create your custom presets as well. So I've already added this one and you can find it under my presets here, and you'll see I've added camera motion. So instead of this whole thing, I can simply replace it with camera motion, but that deletes my whole prompt, so let's not do that. And now I'll select this Hailuo 2.3 and simply go ahead and start creation of my video. And now our video is generated and this is the result, and I think it is like what I defined, that is a futuristic looking city with a guy standing wearing a black tie and a suit on a high balcony. So this was the creation, and again I can download this, but the last option, that is the subject reference, is the best one so far, because if you upload a video of yourself or multiple images of yourself, you can create a video character that looks exactly like you. So I'm going to upload an image here that belongs to a person, and then we'll enter in a prompt for video creation. So this is the prompt that I've added, and this is the person image that I've chosen. I've added another image as well for better reference, and here you can select the Hailuo AI model, and my images are gone, so let me upload them again, and it will take in your reference character and detect the face, and after you confirm it, you can start generating the application. So this time around I'm creating a video with this reference character that will be standing on a balcony overlooking a city at some time which looks like a golden hour, and it should feature realistic skyscrapers, and the video should look really natural, and it should have traffic moving in the background, and it should look like a cinematography instead of CGI. And here's our output. So this is the video. I tried creating a video, so this was the first result, but we couldn't see the face of the model, so I tweaked up the prompt a bit to change the position of model from facing towards the shore to facing towards the camera instead, and now I can download this video or do other tasks with it. So that was basically how you can use Hailuo AI to create videos using either your image, text, or even reference image to get character accuracy, and use different presets to minimize your prompt